The free government tool most investors ignore. Good morning, investors. Today I want to talk about something that most people download once and then completely forget about. It's free. It's made by the government of India. It's legally powerful, and yet, when I ask investors whether they have set it up properly for their family, 9 out of 10 say no. I'm talking about DigiLocker. Why most people skip it? Now, the most common thing I hear is, my distributor will manage it. Oh, my son handles all this. And I understand. We are all busy. And yes, your distributor can guide your investments. But here's the thing. No distributor, no advisor, no son or daughter sitting in another city can hand your spouse instant access to your documents at 2 in the morning during a medical emergency. Only you, setting this up today in advance, can do that. 10 minutes, that's all it takes. And your family will thank you for it for decades. Why DigiLocker matters? Let me first tell you what DigiLocker actually is. It's an official Government of India platform, and documents stored here are legally valid. They are accepted at par with physical originals. That means a hospital, a bank, an insurance company, even a court, they are bound to accept what's in your DigiLocker. You can store your Aadhaar, your PAN card, your insurance policies, property papers, and yes, even a scanned copy of your registered will, so that your family can access them instantly from anywhere in the world at any time. The game changer most people don't know. Now here's where it gets really powerful, and most investors have absolutely no idea about this. SEBI has now made it possible for you to fetch your mutual fund and demat account statements directly into DigiLocker. Your entire investment picture in one place. And there's something called a data access nominee. If something happens to you, your nominated person gets read-only access to your complete financial picture, which funds you were in, which accounts you held, without needing to go to court, without needing to hunt through files and folders. This is separate from your bank or mutual fund nominee for claims. But it ends forever that heartbreaking situation families face. Where did dad invest? We have no idea. KYC solved. Here's another thing that frustrates investors endlessly. KYC rejections. Submitting the same documents every time you open a new account or start a new investment. CKYC 2.0 is now integrating with DigiLocker. This means banks, AMCs, and insurance companies can verify your Aadhaar and PAN instantly, directly from your DigiLocker. No repeated paperwork, no running to a branch, faster onboarding, and zero KYC headaches, provided your DigiLocker is set up and current. What else should you store? Let me give you a quick list of what should be in your DigiLocker right now. Your driving license, insurance policies, health, life, vehicle, RC books for your vehicles, property documents, educational certificates, a copy of your will, your mutual fund and demat statements, birth certificates, and marriage certificate. Think of it as your family's master document file, always available, never lost, never damaged in a flood or fire. One family, one account. Now here's the setup that I personally recommend. Create your own DigiLocker account. Then add your spouse and your children using their Aadhaar details and their consent. And as I mentioned in yesterday's tip, #16, keep one common mobile number, ideally the spouse's number, linked across all family members' Aadhaar cards. This way, one login, one OTP, one DigiLocker, and the entire family's documents are accessible. This is especially important when your children are abroad. They change SIM cards, they change numbers. But if the parent's number is the registered one, there's no disruption. The real lesson: I've seen what happens when this isn't done. Files missing, documents lost, family members calling each other in panic at odd hours, not knowing where anything is. Laziness today becomes paperwork hell for your family tomorrow. 10 minutes, once. That's your investment for decades of peace of mind. My WealthWise spin-up rule for today: your distributor can guide your investments, but only you can organize your documents. DigiLocker is the job that cannot be outsourced, not to your advisor, not to your children, not to anyone. Set it up today. So let me ask you, has your whole family set up DigiLocker yet? Or is it still sitting unused on your phone since the day you downloaded it? Drop a comment below and tell me honestly. You might be surprised how many people are in the same boat and how simple the fix actually is. I am MV Suresh, founder MV Suresh WealthWise. For regular mutual fund and financial planning updates, connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube and Telegram. Wishing you good financial health. I'll be back tomorrow with a brand new tip. Till then, stay wealth wise.